Nenna, you scared me.
Nessa, where are you going?
I'm just going to lunch with a friend.
A lunch? Oh, hello, friend.
No one, Nenna.
No one? But look at the makeup. Why YOLO makeup?
Yeah, these are old.
They look like the tail of a peacock.
Oh, Nenna, I need to get it infilled, that's why.
Oh, her infill, Galufai. Hey, where are you going for lunch?
I'm just going to uni, you know, study lunch.
Can you study and eat and talk at the same time?
Nenna, multitasking.
Hey, I've been there, done that.
Nenna, I don't want to hear that. Look, I promise we're just going to lunch and I'll be right back.
Nana's watching you. I love you so much.
Love you too, Nenna. Hi.
You look gorgeous.
Thanks. So, where are we going?
I was thinking Rainbow's End.
Sunset.
Nenna! What are you doing in here?
Is sang of his old boyfriend, eh?
Oh my gosh, this is just my friend.
Andrew, are you Nessa's friend?
Yeah.
You go to church?
Yes, he does, Nenna.
Every Sunday.
Are you Andrew? I'm asking Andrew. Andrew, what nationality are you?
I'm Afakasi.
Afakasi what? Samoan?
Yeah, Samoan.
He's so full license.
You fool, I sing.
Okay. Take me shopping.
Nenna, we can't.
We're going shopping. Straight up, then right. Wrong way. Turn around. It's on your left-hand side. Nessa, I know first Lotto.
I'll be right back. Where are you going to be?
Just go. Go, Galaso'o.
Now, for me or for you?
For me. I can't go. Too expensive.
Nenna. I got you.
Oh.
You happy with that?
Go, Andrew. Go.
All right. What's your colour?
I like this one.
Green. Yeah, it's for you.
Thank you.
No worries. So healthy, eh?
The cabbage.
You go left or right?
Poor thing. Kalofai. Okay, lelava. I wonder where Nessa is.
Yeah, I know. That's 20 years to get one lotto.
Okay, so live ngalu.
I need a sit. Can we go sit, Nenna?
Yes, we can go
Please.
over there. That end. Oh, lelava. Walu leaso.
Tell you what, Nenna, money can't buy happiness. Yeah, I'm smiling.
I'm smiling.
Nenna, where have you guys been? I've been looking everywhere for you.
Kwa live ngalu. You took too long. Fire Andrew left fire umbe Andrew fit out.
Yeah, thank you, Nenna.
Andrew. Now I'll follow. So. Five lover Andrew. God bless you. See you next week.
Yeah, how could I forget? Housie at 10 a.m.
Next week. Housie. Nenna. I think we should... Nenna?
funny.